Globalization refers to the process of increasing interconnectedness and integration of economies, societies, and culture around the world. It is driven by advancement in technology, communication, and transportation, which have made it easier for people, goods, service, and ideas to move across the border. Globalization has led to increased trade, foreign investment, and the spread of information and knowledge across nations. It has also resulted in the exchange of culture, practices, and values. Globalization has brought many benefits such as economic growth and cultural exchange. It has also raised concern about inequality, environmental degradation, and the loss of local tradition and identities. Globalization can be seen as the process that has turned the world into a global village. This advancement in technology and communication, the world has become more interconnected, making it feel like a small, closely knit community. One example of how globalization creates a global village through the ease of communication with the advent of the internet, social media, and instant messaging app. People from different corners of the world can easily connect and interact with each other for instances. You can video call your friend who live in different countries, share updates on social media platform, or join online communities where people with similar interests gather for all over the world. It erase the physical barriers that once separate us and makes it feel like we are part of a global community. Cultural imperialism. Cultural imperialism refers to the dominance of imposition of one culture over another, often by a more powerful or influential culture. It involves the spread of culture values, norms, and practice from a dominant culture to other cultures, leading to the erosion of suppression of local traditions and identities. This dominance is often driven by economic, politic, or military power. One example of cultural imperialism is the spread of American popular culture around the world. Through the global influence of Hollywood movies, American music, fast food chain, and fashion trend, American culture has become pervasive in many countries. This can sometimes result in the loss of marginalization of local cultural expression as they are overshadowed by the dominance of American culture product. Cultural globalization. Cultural globalization on the other hand refers to the exchange of integration of culture, practices, values, and ideas among different cultures. It emphasizes the interconnectedness and interdependence of cultures in the globalized world. Cultural globalization recognizes the mutual influence and borrowing of cultural elements between different societies, leading to the creation of hybrid or blended culture expression. An example of cultural globalization is the popularity of international cuisines in various parts of the world. You can find sushi restaurant in many countries, India curry house in Europe, and Mexican food chain in Asia. This exchange and appreciation of diverse culinary tradition represent cultural globalization as people from different cultures embrace and enjoy food from around the world. Why is it essential for you as a future police to learn about globalization? As a future police officer, it is essential to learn about globalization because it has a significant impact on various aspects of society, including crime and security. Understanding globalization help police officer navigate the complexity of an interconnected world and effectively address the challenges that arise from it.